Good morning. Welcome to MktMetrics Morning. I'm Doug Gale. I'll be your host today. Just suppose for the moment you know what the exchange insiders know. MktMetrics does. It's important for you to know what the specialists and market makers are currently doing with their inventory. What do you say we take a look? We begin Wednesday's trading by examining the Dow, and we notice that the Dow trend has changed directions once again to up from down. From up to down. Today's reading falling 39% versus 42% the previous day. Dow momentum falling 23% versus 32%. Dow volatility falling 0.62% versus 2.21% the previous day. Dow 50-day net change falling negative 201 versus negative 84. Let's take a deeper look into what the smart money is currently doing with their inventory. As we look closely, we notice that the exchange insiders inventory is falling to a positive 1% versus positive 7% the previous day. Institutional money flow falling 32% versus 35%. Institutional demand falling 30.03% versus 36.65%. Institutional inventory falling 38.19% versus 43.87%. Institutional accumulation distribution trend fell to a negative 0.20% versus negative 0.8%. Wednesday's trading highlights, as I view them, are as follows. Dow trend changed to down from up, which occurred yesterday. Fed bailout, Buffett, Goldman investment, oil are today's market movers. Stock market is not balanced as it lacks liquidity to go short. The DIA moving averages 8-day versus 21-day, 110.56 versus 112.89 is a negative 2.33 versus negative 1.94 the previous day, which is falling. The selling climax that occurred last week is now the market's trying to go higher this week. Let's take a look at the outlook for both the Dow and the stock market as a whole. As we begin Wednesday's trading, we notice that the Dow outlook is bearish, rising, yet unchanged at 35%. Stock market outlook is bearish, falling 40.6% versus 48.7%. The Dow Jones Industrial Average has a probability of 53%. However, this may be enhanced because Diamond's DIA, Dow 30 Exchange Traded Fund, has a probability of closing up Wednesday of 87%. Now, Tuesday's results of our $1 million account, which began in December of 2007, currently has a net value of $1,215,021, which lost money on the day yesterday, negative $53,075. I'm Doug Gale, not always right, just very seldom wrong. Please visit me daily, MktMetrics.com. Check out the blog in the center of the page. Trading ideas in the evening, stock market forecast in the morning. You may even want to sign up for a 14-day free trial and find out what all the stock traders on Wall Street are currently talking about. Well, it's 9:30, time to get trading. You take care. Good luck and good trading today.